Alright, I'm fixing to do it. I'm going to order a sun oven at the same price that you would buy one for. And here's the package I want, the preparedness package. Now, you can get the All-American sun oven, just the sun oven. And here is the code you would use right here. And you would actually pay $2.99 for it. I'm going to buy the, this is the dehydrator preparedness package. And with this code, BC Truck, you would be paying $3.29 for it, which is not bad. Not bad. So let me click the buy now. And then I just want to show you when you get to add to cart. Okay, what we want to need to do now is go to the cart. And right here, type in BCTRUCK, apply the code. Alright, coupon truck, $70 removed. The total is $329. Now, I won't show you the rest because, you know, it involves my credit card. Alrighty, that's all you do. Be sure you put that code in there if you're going to order one. And you probably won't see this till I get my oven and I do my very first. Actually, I may get my Solavore out and my new sun oven out. Do a comparison video, and then I'll put this video up with that, and then I'll do a cooking video, and I'll even do a comparison cooking video. And keep in mind, I'm going to keep saying this because I don't want to bash the Solavore oven. It's been a great oven. I've cooked a lot of great meals in it and enjoyed it, but this new sun oven is really, it's twice the oven for roughly the same price, and you get way more, and you can do more with it. You can adjust it more, and it's honestly, it's better built too. And I'll show you the differences when I get it. There's nothing wrong with the sun. There's nothing bad with the sun oven. This is just much better. All right, I'll see you when I get it. All right, here's my confirmation for ordering it, and the only reason I'm showing you this is that I want you to know that I bought this and it wasn't sent to me for a review, because I think people are a little suspicious of reviews when people get things for free. And I have reviewed products over the years that I got for free, and I felt bad doing it. You know, I never actually had a product that was bad that I got for free. And if it was bad, I either wouldn't have reviewed it or I'd have been honest in my review. And, you know, it just became sort of an icky thing. I didn't feel right about it at all. And every day I get 2 or 3 offers for free crap in exchange for a video review. And I delete them all. I don't take any kind of free stuff at all anymore. If something is worthy of me reviewing, it's worthy of me buying. And that's the way I'm going to do it from now on. And, okay, on to different stuff. Here we go. You'll see this clip when I get the oven. Alright, I should have it on the 9th. And, today's the 4th. So, next Wednesday I should have it. Next Tuesday, I've got jury duty. And, I hope they find me, unsatisfactory for jury duty. Anyway, you know, all those years as a long haul truck driver, I got out of jury duty, and I'm just not even trying to get out of jury duty. I mean, if everybody got out of jury duty, there'd be no jury of your peers. So I'm just gonna, you know, offer myself to do my civic duty. If I was on a court, if I was in court, I would want a jury made up of just regular folks like me. So, you know, I'm not making any effort to get out of jury duty. Although, in all honesty, I have in the past when I was a long-haul trucker. And that was usually all it took, was for me to say, hey, I'm gone for weeks at a time, and it's not likely I'll be in. And if you do make me go, through jury duty, I'll lose, weeks worth of pay, because I'll have to get back into my dedicated run. And anyway, I made all kinds of excuses. And anyway, I'm not doing that anymore. I have time to go do my civic duty. But enough about that. I cannot wait to get my sun oven. It's almost here. Yes, that's my name, Brad Dawson. I don't care. I live in Sibley, Louisiana. Come on by. Everybody knows that by now. It's here, it's here, it's here. Now I can't wait to get it open and make sure it's in one piece. I want to show you what 5 minutes of being gone looks like. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is like 5 days to a dog.
Okay, quit scratching the door. We're home, we're home.
Oh my God. Oh, it's been forever. Forever. Oh my God.
Buns. Oh my buns. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Watch. Oh, I missed her. Oh, I missed Breezy. I missed all my children.
It's been forever. We've been gone 5 years. I can't believe you still remember us.
You're working and playing. Oh my.
Okay. That is a lot of stuff. And even my wife got something.
I did. They sent me something. Thank you.
They sent her. Thank you, Sun Oven, for sending my wife bubble wrap.
And it was from the Isle of Fergilly.
Oh, the Isle of Fergilly.
Yeah. Right,
we got to go there someday. Fergilly.
really? They sure send a lot of stuff
They
from
do?
Fergilly. They make a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of jobs in Fergilly.
Okay.
And comes with a really nice thermometer. And this is very, very well made. And what it is 100% American made. Every single component is American made except for the thermometer. And he said the only reason the thermometer is not American made is because they don't make thermometers in America.
Look, it's got a sticker on the side. Did you see that?
What does it say?
It says All American Sun Oven.
Yeah, it's got one on the other side too. Okay. The next time you see this, I'll be cooking something in it. But I've got so many clips that I want to add to this. Let me just tell you what I got, and then I'm just going to upload this. And then the next time you see this, I'll be cooking in it. I got 2 pots, and they fit just like this. If you want. If you don't want, you can use one pot like that. The other pot with this lid. It came with 2 meatloaf / bread pans. It came with dehydrator racks, and this is the I don't know what they call it. I call it a gimbal, where you set your food, and as you raise this to follow the sun, this keeps your food level so it doesn't spill, which the Solivore does not.
I see chicken treats in our dog's future.
Yeah, I'll be dehydrating. Oh yeah, the rest are dehydrating racks. And I will be dehydrating some chicken treats for my dogs. This is a Whoppy for purifying water. This is parchment for dehydrating. Comes with a lot of stuff, and I can't wait to get into this. I got to pull the little blue film off the reflectors, and then we're gonna eat. Did I ever tell you I have a twin? I mean, the likeness is uncanny. There's a little update on my thorn in the arm. And some really nice people said that looked like a belly button. But I think we all know what that looks like. And I'm going to be the only guy with 2.
That guy needs to go back to school and practice his sewing.
You didn't know? Oh, this guy? Yeah.
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 He needs to take a sewing class.
Okay. I just thought you might find this interesting. I've been looking for this one particular gun, and that gun is a Browning SA-22. It's a takedown 22. It breaks apart in the middle. It's the original takedown 22. I think Mr. Browning, is it John Browning? I think he designed it in 1914, and they've been making it ever since. Anyway, I hit a few I really dislike pawn shops. I don't do business with pawn shops. I don't buy nothing. I don't sell nothing. I don't like going into parking lots because the parking lots are full of just meth heads and crackheads, and I just really dislike pawn shops. But there's really no other option when looking for a particular gun, unless you want to buy it brand new. I tried Gunbroker and had a pretty bad experience, although I did eventually get my gun. It was a very unpleasant experience. Anyway, I went to this one pawn shop, and for many, many years I collected 22 rifles of various names and manufacturers. I used to be a member of the Mossberg Collectors Association. I had, at one time, just in Mossbergs, I had over 60 Mossberg 22 rifles in various models and configurations, but I had way more 22s than that. But I don't collect 22s anymore. There's just this one I'm looking for. And anyway, stopped in this pawn shop, and he had this pump action gun that I recognized. I said, "Is that a Noble?" And he goes, "Yeah, it is. As a matter of fact, it's the only one I've ever seen." And he handed it to me, and the thing was bent. The barrel was bent. The magazine tube was bent. It was in the roughest shape that I've ever seen a gun for sale. And the guy had $300 price tag on it. It was completely not shootable. And I said, you know, this isn't like an antique or a collectible gun. This Noble's not a name anybody collects. You know, it's probably worth 80, 90 bucks at the most. And it's unshootable. So this could only be for parts. He goes, "Oh, somebody give me $300 for it." I was thinking, you know, the barrel's bent and you're selling it, and you're going to sell it to somebody. I mean, you got to look close to see that the barrel had a bend in it, but you can't sell a gun that's not shootable. Anyway, that's why I hate pawn shops. They sell broken crap, and they sell stolen crap, and just, you know, pawn shops are icky. And that pawn shop, I went to probably 4 of them today, and that's it. I'm not ever going to go to a pawn shop again. All 4 of them were just ridiculous. I looked at another one. A lady had a Winchester pump, and I asked to see it, and right away I see the barrel is rusted on the outside, terribly rusted. So I stick my little bore light in there, and I look down the bore, and it's so rusty you can't even see from one end to the other. And I told the lady, "This bore is rusted shut. You can't even see through it. It's got so much rust in it." "I know, I know." I said, "And the stock is split in 2. Somebody has glued this stock back together, and it's a terrible job." "Yeah, I know. That's why it's only priced at $399. And I handed it back to her. Said, "Have a nice day, ma'am."
And you got cooties on you.
Yeah, and I had to come out in Germex because everything in there is, you know, just what a icky feeling. I haven't been in a pawn shop in probably, how long's it been? 8 or 10 years?
I don't even like sitting in the parking lot.
Yeah, my wife doesn't even want to go and sit in the parking lot when I go do this. She did today though, just because I didn't want to go alone. And I promised her I'd take her to Lowe's so she can look at plants. Oh, and I fed her too. A Griff's burger. Which we won't be going back there, and I won't go into why. But no more pawn shops for me ever again. I am done with pawn shops. I don't care what they got or how much it costs. I'm never going back into a pawn shop. And we're never going back to Griff's in Bossier. Okay, I'm done.